Hey, sixth graders, guess what? I know you're going to be sad when I tell you this, but this will be your last flipped classroom video for a little while. Don't cry now. You can cry tomorrow at school. We can have a big group hug or something. So we're going to talk about lesson 5.6 on finding percent of a number. Okay? Basically what we're trying to figure out today is how can I figure out, say, what 20% of 100 is, or 35% of 80, okay? We can also look for 180% of 20, so we can find numbers that are larger than the original. But we're going to first start with just some basic ones that I'm a little off on my camera today. Sorry, guys. Try to fix this a little bit. All right, so what we're going to do is talk about ways we can do that. And I have found 3 ways over the years that really seem to stick. Some kids love one, some kids love another, and some kids love the third. So some kids actually like to use a combination. That's kind of how I am, because I like to use one certain way when it's real easy, and another way when it's a little bit harder, and then the last way when it's very difficult and I want to use a calculator. So we're going to start with finding percent of a number using the 10% rule in the notes today. I know how to get 10% of any number because I just take the decimal point and I move it over one place. So 10% of 100 is 10. I just move that decimal over. 10% of 38 is 3.8, or 3 8/10 if we say it mathematically. We can also find percent of a number using a calculator. Who doesn't love a calculator? If I say what is 20% of 90, ding, 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 everybody in this video is going, oh yeah, of. That means multiplication. So if I take 20%, change it to a decimal, 0.2 or 2/10, or 20 hundredths, depending on how you want to say it, times 90, I'm going to get 18. Pretty simple. The last way we're going to do it is creating a fraction out of the percent. Now, I only advise this one when you can make that percent, a fraction super fast. So if it's 25%, I know that's 1/4. If it's 50%, I know that's 1/2. Those are the times that I use the fraction method. Okay? We're going to get to some notes here. Please write 5.6% in your table of contents, and I will be back with you with my smartboard notes. See you in a little bit. Peace out.